Hello, it's the Council and welcome to my new video. And today we are checking my YouTube channel, and it's a new channel that I created 4 weeks ago. And in this video we are going to check what has happened in past 4 weeks, how my videos rank and what I plan to do next. Small note, it's kind of a rambling video. I have no clear end goal. So here are my 7 videos that I have. They are about dental emergencies, dental implants, general anesthesia in dentistry, and root canal treatments and composite fillings. And actually I did use one trick here. When creating my own videos, I search for the corresponding animation about the topic, and when you filter those out with, as I do here, with Creative Commons, those are videos by other users that are uploaded that you can use in any purpose you want, basically even in advertising. And this is kind of cool trick, and you just download the video and do what you like with it. And now when we are searching for the best performing video, which is filling of the tooth, and in Finnish hampaan paikkaus, and we can actually see that it appears very first in the search results, which is super good. And when we compare the competition here in Finland, little to none competition. There are some corporate videos, but even the thumbnails are super bad. When I have a video that gets a lot of views, and also if it engages the watcher, it will rank really high. So good content is the way to go here, and I'm actually pretty certain that it's quite easy to dominate the field in this market. And my channel is around 4 weeks old at this point when we did record the video, and it has already over 3 hours of watch time and over 100 views, and those are pretty much everything are organic traffic. So I consider it quite high, as if you think that with 1 year the ranks will get better, and even with these videos I would get like 10 daily views. End of each year people have watched my videos over 2 weeks in a row, and when you think about it, that's quite a lot. And if you think about the strategy, you will figure out that if you teach people, they are more open to come to treatment with you, and then you can cross-sell and upsell stuff for them. And even with higher price tickets such as dental implants or general anesthesia dentistry or sedation dentistry, this should work really well. But it's beneficial for all the practice. And at this phase we are mostly learning about YouTube, and this is kind of a test channel, and I can already see here which are my top videos, and yeah, and here we can see some decent growth, and I have almost 10% of click-through rate. There are some videos that are referring to me, and this one is particularly funny because one video is from this TV series suggests my video, and I have call to action in my video, so it's kind of funny. So I pretty much reap the benefits for this TV show. So when you have a lot of videos, YouTube, and they are good, YouTube will suggest them, so you can actually get benefits from native advertising from other brands that are utilizing YouTube. And the longer videos you have, and the better the user, you get the audience engaged, the better it is. So algorithm will learn it. And from here, from this page, I can see where the traffic sources are and what are my top videos and what pretty much works and what does not work, what the audience wants. And here is the CTR, which is almost 10%, which is really high, because when my videos are shown to the users, almost 10% will click those. And these are the search terms that gets me results, and this is kind of a guidance for me, like what type of content I should create and what gives me traffic that appear in YouTube searches that are already bringing me results. And into the long game here is that I will fill the YouTube with my videos, and I will rank high so that the more I will appear there. And when I'm the first in the market pretty much here, I'm likely going to be the winner in the long term. People will continue using YouTube as a search engine, and in the future video will have greater impact. And thanks for watching my video, and I hope that it was insightful and you learned something. And please comment below. I'm always open to discussion. And thank you.